Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit, and this is the level 18th and episode 15th. So, in today's level, the goal is simple. There are two files in the home directory whose names are as it is like passwords.old and passwords.new, and the password for the next level is in passwords.new, and this is the only line which has been changed between these two files. So we just need to find that line, and if we found that line, then we got the password for the next level. It's very easy. There is a note also. If you solve this room and see bye bye, when you trying to log in into next level, that is bandit 18th, then this is related to the next level which is bandit 19. And here are some commands which we need to use. There is cat command for seeing the file, there is grep command, there is ls command, there is diff command. Here this diff command is just the new command which you need to understand. Diff command is a very easy and very useful command which helps to check between two files that if there is change in any line of that particular file or not. It will take two files and differentiate like which line is changed, and it will just print that line, and that is what we wanted to check. So first of all, we are going to log in using the private key which we solved in the previous room, and still I have that private key. You can see it here. Here you can see that private key. Now we will just log in using that, and boom, we got the access. And here we need to check the home directory. Yes, we got two files there. If you want, then you can view the file also and do it manually, but that will take very much time, man. But it is not recommended. Since we have a command line tool, then we will use that. So let's clear the screen first. ls, and we are using diff command. Diff, you need to give this first file name from which the data will be checked out, and from the second file also it will now differentiate. Like boom, we got the password. So this is the password which this line was changed in passwords.old. This line was changed to this line, the x2 one, and this is the password for the next level. For verifying it, first let's copy paste it, which I already. Then we will do exit, and then we will write this command ssh-p 2220, then bandit 18 and the rate, and then the IP which is bandit.lab, whatever. Now if we put this one as a password, boom, we got the access. But as you can see, there is a note. If you solve this level and see bye bye when trying to log in into bandit 13, then this is related to the next level which is bandit 19. So for now this room has been solved, but for the next room you need to see and wait for the next video. So for now, this was all in this video. It was a very easy room. You can solve it very easy, and this is just for an understanding of the command line tools. Okay, I hope you got the idea behind this room. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the upcoming video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye, regards, Trend Have Academy.